Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Android Auto on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on more connections. And on this page, just scroll down and tap on Android Auto. Now just tap on connect a vehicle. Now as you can see, there are two methods to connect your smartphone with your vehicle. You can either connect your smartphone wirelessly or you can connect your smartphone with your vehicle with a cable. Let's check the wireless option first. To do that, just tap on connect using wireless Android Auto. Now there are two options to connect your phone with your vehicle wirelessly. You can press a button on the steering wheel on your car to connect your car with your phone. Now, if your car does not have this button on the steering wheel, just tap on connect using Bluetooth. Now, if your car supports wireless Android Auto, just tap on pair a vehicle. Now, as you can see, your smartphone will start scanning for a vehicle nearby. If it detects your car, the name of your car will appear right here. Now, I don't have a car, so nothing will be shown right here. But if you have a car, if your car supports wireless Android Auto, the name of your car will appear right here. Just tap on the name of your car to connect your car to your phone. Now, if your car does not support wireless Android Auto, just go back and connect your car with your smartphone by using your charging cable. Just connect one end of the cable to your car and connect the other end with the charging port on your smartphone. And this is how you can enable Android Auto on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.